We've got a simple problem today. Take monthly sales data and turn it into seasonal sales. The table has year, month and sales columns, but some months are missing. We need to group everything by season and sum up the sales. No manual work, no pivot tables, just a few formulas to get the job done fast. Here how we do it. First, we need to turn month names into something Excel understands as a date. My favorite way is to add -01 to the month, like this. Like January the 1st. This gives us a proper date format to work with. Now we need to extract the month number using month formula. So January the 1st becomes 1, February the 1st becomes 2 and so on. Each season or quarter is 3 months long. To figure out which season a month belongs to, we divide by 3 and round up. So January, February and March will be season number 1, April, May and June number 2, and so on. We now can create a structured dataset by combining the year with the season. Let's copy our formula and put it into HSTACK formula, right after the year column. Finally, we need to group everything by year and season, summing up the sales. This is where we will use GROUPBY function. The first argument will be our previous formula. The second one, called values, is our sales column. The third one is the function we want to use, sum. The fourth and the fifth will be zeros, because we don't need any total rows. So this formula groups by year and quarter, sums the sales values and works even if months are missing. We went from scattered monthly sales to clear seasonal totals in just a few steps. No manual grouping, no mess, just straight to the point. If this was helpful, drop a comment with your Excel struggles. See you in the next one.